Explaining complex ideas doesn't have to take hours. With TimaLens, just paste your script or import a document. Optionally, add a visual reference. Then choose your language, voice, video orientation, enhance style, or upload your own.
Learning objective. Understand how solar panels convert sunlight into usable electricity. Sunlight is made of tiny energy packets called photons. When sunlight hits a solar panel, photons collide with silicon cells inside. The impact of photons knocks electrons loose from silicon atoms. These free electrons start bouncing around inside the panel. Metal plates inside guide the electrons to flow in one direction. This flow of electrons creates direct current or DC electricity. An inverter then converts DC into alternating current or AC, which powers your home.
And if you want to make a change, just edit it with AI. Regenerate any scene, refine the narration, or adjust the pacing in seconds. From idea to a video people actually understand. Try TimaLens for free at video.timalens.com.